everyone, I am Ganesh Ji from Guns and Spices. We love to build amazing innovative solutions and finding complex problems. Hence, we went out, reached out to the users to understand the daily issues, and you will see in the next video.
How many systems do you use on a daily basis?
5 to 10 different applications.
Yes, ServiceNow, Outlook, Teams.
So what frustrates you most about switching tools?
When I have multiple requests to approve or raise, sometimes I forget if I have to maneuver between different systems.
I think what frustrates me is the time wasted when what's been configured or written in a specific tool has to be redone or reinitialized in a different tool.
What do you think of having all the systems in a single platform?
I think it will be amazing because we are able to navigate all the applications easily and it saves time.
To be honest, I was not entirely convinced as we have tried that before in the past and it didn't really work.
It will be easy to manage our things also, where we can see our things. Yeah.
So what makes a single platform valuable, personally for me, I think is notification and alerts. They can directly be in one platform so that I can properly keep track of everything instead of having to go through multiple emails just to keep track.
So now to address all the above problems, we are going to move on to show the one solution that makes the difference. As you begin your day in Microsoft Teams, everything you need is right at your fingertips. When you're ready to dive into your work, simply head over to the Vertex app. From there, you can effortlessly navigate to the Vertex assistant. On a single tap, you'll get a clear view of your most urgent task for the day. You might have high priority tasks that require your attention. By selecting them, you're instantly directed to the application interface where you can review all your tasks and quickly identify which one needs your approval or attention. This platform simplifies your workflow, making task management, approvals, updates across all your integrated applications a seamless experience. It saves you time and reduces complexity, helping you stay on top of your responsibilities without much effort. For users on the go, the platform extends a fully functional mobile app, whether you're in a break, traveling, or working remotely. You can access the same powerful features right from your mobile device. And you can approve all the tasks that require your approvals and go back to your break. Now that we have seen the problem and the solution, let's go to the users to find out their feedback on our solution.
What do you think of Vertex now that you had to look at it? The look and feel, functionality?
Vertex looks amazing. It is user-friendly and it looks very structured and centralized.
So having all apps in one place, I really like that I'm able to have all the updates and pending action items at a glance, which really helped me to keep track of my priorities.
It's leveraging on Microsoft Teams, which is our VAT collaboration platform among our users. And the best thing is, it looks really sexy, clean and sleek. I simply love it.
From a quality of life solution to an actual productivity saver.
Initial setup and the initial UI looks very promising, looks very professionally done.
Which are the applications that you like to see?
For me, Coupa is a very regular application.
The MDG side, any CRs or anything can be integrated so that also the users will be easily can then view their changes over there.
As we saw from our users, they have really loved our application on what they've seen and what they've experienced. Now I hand over to Vasu, who will be taking over regarding the future roadmap.
The current approximate running cost of this project is $140, covering only the core features and initial setup. This estimated timelines for completion is around 6 sprints, depending on the approval speeds. We will start with the core platform setup, integrate applications as needed, conduct a thorough testing, and proceed with the phased deployments. The total efforts required for this initial setup and integration is estimated to be around 200 story points. These efforts will get us to the point where platform can be launched and operational. Future phases may include expanding the platform in integrations, additional applications, which will require more further efforts and cost.
Hello everyone. So we saw that BAT already loves the application, right? And we are targeting around 63,000 active users who are already there in BAT, who are using Microsoft right now, Microsoft Teams. And post that, we have around 1,160 apps right now in BAT, and we want to give support to all of them in MS Teams so that they don't have to navigate through multiple applications every day. This would make the life of every BAT user easy, and it would make it simple for them. One single sign-on in MS Teams, and it also has Gen AI, where you have a simple assistant. So if you're someone new who does not know how to use the application, you can just go to our assistant. You can ask, okay, how do I use this application? It shows you right how you want to use it, right? And if you're someone who uses ServiceNow, you want to know your daily critical tasks, you get to know that as well. And apart from that, we have hyper personalization. So it's not just for, let's say, it's actually for different set of people as well, right? Someone might be working in operations, someone might be in marketing. So based on those tools, they'll be able to see the application on the screen. And apart from that, it's a simple plug and play, where it's super easy to integrate any new application. You just need to give us the API, right? And also, ours is a pay-as-you-go model, right? It works on Azure.
You get
Because
one
of
more
which,
minute. You get 1 more minute to
okay,
conclude and then it's Q&A. Yeah.
sure. It works on a pay-as-you-go model, which helps us to scale more, right? And handing it to Reno to summarize.
Overall, our solution consolidates multiple systems into one single platform, tackling the challenges of multiple logins and redundant tasks. It automates your processes and scales up with your organization. And this also provides seamless access to information and tool to every user. We have integrated various systems in a such a way that it is more connected. It is more connected and more smarter, which reduces your complexity and improves the productivity of the user. We are confident that our solution will lead us to a more efficient and streamlined future.
Okay, so I'm sorry, we'll have to go because we have to give the leaders a chance to ask you questions. We have 2 minutes. I'm really sorry, we have a global audience. So JP, Manas, we request you to any questions for them. You can have a mic, please. Sorry.
All right. First of all, great idea. Looking forward for the application. I can go vaping faster. So, my first question is, in your pilot, how many applications already you have integrated?
We have currently around 4 applications that we have planned to onboard completely. Right now, we are doing in a sandbox environment. So once the approvals and all of that, if we are going to start off full-fledged, we'll have 4. ServiceNow, SAP SuccessFactors, Fieldglass, Concur, and ADO. It's actually 5.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Manas, any quick questions?
Yeah. So where are you storing the metadata?
We are planning to have a Postgres database where we will be able to store all the metadata and the application data for this.
So did you think about the security protocols, like taking data out of each of these apps and then storing them?
Yes, so what we are using is an Azure environment overall. So this has security and also DDoS protection over it.